You've just created the perfect video in Google Flow. The quality is amazing, the animation is smooth, but there's one annoying problem, the watermark sitting right in the corner, even though you're on the Pro plan. Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to remove it completely in just a few minutes using a free tool. No complicated software, no expensive subscriptions, advanced editing skills required. Let's get started.
First, open your Chrome browser and search for shotcut.org. Now, once you search for shotcut.org, the website is going to display to you right like this. Then you click to download. You'll be redirected to the download page where you can choose the version that matches your operating system, right? So now, when you get there, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to select your operating system, just as I said earlier. And since I'm using Windows, I will select the Windows installer and the download will begin automatically. Once it is finished downloading, you open the installer and complete the installation. Right, so after completing the installation, the next thing you're going to do is I've already installed the Shotcut, so I will go ahead and launch it. When Shotcut opens, choose where you want to save your project and give it a name. I will name mine as Remove Watermark. So after doing that, the next thing I'm going to do is to import the video or videos I want to edit, right? So after importing them, you drag each video onto the timeline. That is, you start from the first one, depending on if you want to install or import all at once. Now, click on the filters panel and search for spot remover. Add the spot remover filter to your clip, then position it directly over the watermark. As the watermark moves throughout the video, you will need to adjust the spot remover frame by frame, and you do that repeatedly for all the videos, for all the scenes, right? So wait and see the outcome, right? So it's as simple and easy as that. So if your video has multiple scenes, simply repeat this process for each one until you have covered the watermark everywhere it appears, right? So now the next thing we are going to do, once you have finished editing, you click on the export button, right? You can see the export button right here. Choose your preferred export settings, then click export file and save the video to your computer. Now you wait for the export to finish, then open the folder where you saved the file, right? So I'm going to come over and open the folder where I save it, and let's play the final result. And as you can see, the video has been exported successfully and the watermark is...
And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've removed the watermark and your video is now clean, professional, and ready to publish. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. For more AI content creation tips, Google Flow tutorials, and the latest AI tools to help you create better videos faster. Also, if you're wondering how I created this realistic AI talking avatar of myself, check out the video on your screen right now. I break down the entire process step by step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.